第17页混合题型，干燥花艺，冻结绝美时刻。
DIY flower drying at home. For people who love flowers, drying flowers to keep them from withering is a fun hobby. Dried flowers last much longer than the normal lifespan of a flower. If you're interested in starting a flower collection or preserving a bouquet as a keepsake, here are 2 methods to try. Air drying method. This is a traditional method used for centuries. It's also quite simple. First, cut off any excess leaves and trim the stems of your flowers, but leave at least 6 inches of length. After that, you use twine, ribbon, or string to tie your bunch of flowers securely together. Then, all that is left to do is to hang them upside down to dry, but avoid hanging them in moist areas. Also, keep them away from light, otherwise the flower's color may fade during the drying process, which takes about 2 to 3 weeks. Microwave method. This method is relatively new compared to the air drying method. It is great for preserving flowers in full bloom. However, you'll need a microwave oven and something called silica gel. First, cut off the stems close to the base of the flower. Next, add silica gel to a microwave-safe container. The silica gel should be about 2 to 3 centimeters deep. Then, place the blooms in the container and sprinkle a bit more of the silica gel over the flowers and between the petals. Place the container into the microwave and heat it for 2 to 5 minutes. Once the flowers feel dry, take the container out of the microwave and cover it with a lid for 24 hours. Be sure to open the top slightly for it to vent. Using either of these methods will create lovely decorations that look great for months or even years.